What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another video on Ethereum, which has slowly started to recover in value. As you can see, it's gone above the $1,000 mark right now and has gone just about 3% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too crazy. Obviously it is still hovering around the $1,000 mark. We did see it go all the way down to about, let's have a look, 800 or just about, yeah, $897 late last night, and right now it is slowly starting to recover. So where is it heading to next? Just because it's recovering right now, it hasn't even fully recovered. It is just about recovering. It doesn't mean that, you know, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to pump back up, so on and so on. I am still expecting it to drop below the $1,000 mark over the next couple of days, especially next week. I'm expecting more drops, not just on Ethereum, but most cryptos out there, including Bitcoin. So that's what we're going to be looking at into today. My prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 on Ethereum. And also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you wait for it to drop further? So on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about 1.5%, going from about 1,041, dropping all the way down here to 1,000. Let's have a look here, 1,017, and right now slowly going back up in value. Over the last day, 3%. Over the week, 29%, and over the whole month, 47% up. So yes, it's lost nearly half of its value in a single month, which is not looking too great. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 63% in the last 24 hours, making it $24.4 billion, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum at the moment. And yes, we are seeing a lot more buyers at the moment. As you can see, 80% buy against 20% sell. So a lot of people are investing into the crypto right now because it's dropped so much that it's a good time to invest into it. However, the way that it was dropping over the last month, people were really worried because of what happened to Terra Luna. Obviously, Luna was one of the top 10 cryptos out there, and when a crypto like Ethereum keeps dropping, you feel like, is it going to do a similar thing to Terra Luna? Is it going to drop all the way down to zero, so on and so on? But at the moment, obviously, because it has pumped up in value a little bit over the last 3, 4, 5 hours, you know, that doubt may have gone, but it's still in the back of your head. You know, it's like, is it going to drop down to zero? Should I invest into it right now? Should I wait for it to drop? So on and so on. So let's get straight into that. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So yes, we do have the SMA indicator as well, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Ethereum at 1.4k, nearly 1.5. However, it is trading at a much lower value at around 1k, which is not looking too great and is performing much lower than it's expected to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. So zooming in here, we got the blue line looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction. Again, it's not looking too steep. That's why it looks like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, we can see it is slanting towards the negative direction. And we've got the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. And again, it's not looking too steep either, so they are both just about going positive and negative, meaning the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be neutral. Yes, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs. It's going to be quite volatile, but more or less it is going to be fluctuating around 1,010 to 1,050 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction. And in this case, they are looking much more clear that they are going in a positive direction. But the only reason why we're seeing positive lines is because of the increase that's taken place over the last about 12-13 hours. As you can see here, the graph thinks, you know what, is going to slowly start to recover, go up in value, so on and so on. But that is not what I'm predicting. I am expecting it to drop down below the $1,000 mark by mid next week, and towards the end of next week, we should be down to about $850 to $900. But again, It all depends on any major updates and major news that come across, because not just Ethereum but the whole crypto market has been very volatile recently, but obviously moving towards a negative direction. I'm expecting it to carry on dropping in value over the coming days. So towards the end of next week we should be below the $1,000 mark, potentially around fluctuating around the $900 mark. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction. Once again, they are not looking too steep. They are just about going in a bearish direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the long run. So late July to early August, we should expect it to drop in value. But again, nothing too crazy. It is very minimal. However, we still got a good 7-8 weeks for that time. Anything can happen between that time, guys. Bitcoin can go up to 30, 35k, even 40k if it wants to, or drop to 10k. So it all depends on any updates or any news that come across, and I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and for those of you who are interested in what's happening to Bitcoin and want daily price updates and prediction every single morning on what to expect from Bitcoin and the crypto market, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you guys need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. So what does this include? You're going to get to know what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and you're going to get also put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I put daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin and obviously other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for. I will do that as well. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Ethereum. As you can see here, guys, we are trading in the red zone. The last time we were in the red zone was all the way back in January 2021, so over a year and a half ago, or just about a year and a half ago is when we were in the red zone. Then we peaked all the way up to 4.8k last November when the crypto market was absolutely booming. Everything was very high, including Bitcoin. That's when it hit its new all-time high. Then in December we dropped in value, and January made it even worse. We dropped, and yeah, the last 2 months have not been too great. As you can see, consistent drops in value, going from the top tier level all the way down to the red zone here, which is the bottom tier. Hopefully we should be able to head back into the green zone by mid to late August. That's when I'm expecting us to slowly starting to recover. I'm not expecting any major recovery, but it's going to be a very slow and steady process. It might take until the end of the year or very early next year for us to fully recover, but at the moment I'm expecting us to trade into the red zone for the next at least 2 months and then potentially head into the green zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Ethereum, a highly requested video. So I thought, you know what, let me make a quick update. And if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much. I'm trying to hit 100k, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.